charger.
Okay.
Right next to the.
We are just cleaning.
Almost done.
Almost done. Here's a setup right now.
Yep. This is our first time debuting our new
Brackets.
our seat brackets. Yep.
Yeah,
Because
and our
last time we
seats.
didn't get to debut that.
Yeah, in our seats, in our seat belts, and everything in the interior right here. So we are using our door prop today, and then we're just filling out our spec sheet for the judges.
The food is right there.
I know, it smells so
all
good.
the wind is going this way.
Yeah, and then look guys, it's a full house.
Yep. It's outdoor Spokane.
I know, it's
It is
really
packed.
It's packed, and there's still more that's coming in. So it will be a fun day today. Wow, this is nice. All right, they need to do.
This will be our second time using this.
Wow, those are so big wheels.
I know.
Wow.
22? 30s. Oh,
30s.
wow. Holy
Whoa.
shit, like half of it. Yeah. Start ready, start vehicle ignition. Alright, it should be all set.
Alright, we're good.
Good?
Yeah, it's open. Yeah, we're good.
Sweet.
Thanks
Awesome.
a lot, man.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Sure, man. This is the second time, so took 1% out. So all right, not bad. Good morning. This is how the event here looks like. It is packed, guys. Lots of amazing cars here. Here's a SEMA car right here, guys. Our neighbors right here. We're now debuting our all new slant back soft top. Our new seat brackets right there. Turned it on already, guys. No, secret project number 1 and secret project 3 is on full effect. So here's our neighbor. Here's Jason's car right here. So here's some of the vendors here. And then we got the trophies over here. Here's Back Persuasion as the DJ right there. Look at all these amazing cars right here. we're here inside the K1 Speedway in Corona. And this is how the facility here looks like. Oh, look at all this cool go-karts right here, guys. And there's the track over here. Billiard tables right there. Wow, this is really cool. And they got the arcades over there. It is awards time. So we're walking towards the stage. There's the awesome trophies right there. We'll post up right here. Right, top 15. Top 15.
So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the first award with the 1994 Toyota Corolla. All right, next award goes to Dodge Durango 392 SRT. Stock is with
Oscar.
Chico with the 1971 Datsun, Darius with the 2006 Scion XB, Felipe with the 2019 Dodge Durango, to Monica with the 2022 Ford Maverick Hybrid, Crypto with the 2018 Honda Civic, to Heather with the 2018 Subaru, Cam Adam with the 01 Lexus LS 430. To Grandpa Cruz with the 2018 K1 Speed Choice. Goes to 392 Scat Jack with the 2020 Best Euro. Goes to El Jefe. Where's El Jefe? With the 2017 Mercedes ST300. Best Engine Bay. Sheesh. Dash Bolt with the 2022 Dodge Charger. Rap goes to Frank _Mopar with the 2022 Chrysler 300. Interior, Ladell Jr. with the 15 Ram from Swift. Best paint goes to Beefy. Next award is Kids Choice to Joseph with the 2001 Chevy 1500 Silverado. Best VIP goes to Anthony with the 2008 Lexus GS from Expired. Best wide body goes to Robert Silverback 345 with the 2019 Dodge. Best domestic goes to Puerto _NOK _OC with the 2007 Dodge Charger. Best Mopar is gonna go to Jesse Sanchez with the 2010 Dodge Challenger from Swift. Best display goes to Sally with the 2019 Toyota Camry. Best trunk setup goes to El Whisper with the 2018 Toyota Camry LE. Best lowrider goes to Luigi Sandoval with the 1987 Chevy Monte Carlo. Best import goes to Hugo with the 2020 Honda Accord from MBS. SUV goes to the Bronco Adventures with the 2021 Ford Bronco.
Oh, thank you. You got it.
You guys did that, man. You guys deserve that award.
Oh, thank you. Woo. Whoa. Thank you.
All right. Best female.
Best female.
Best wheels goes to the owner with the white C10. Best wheel. The deepest club goes to 909 Mopar. Nocturno. Knock.
Best car club.
Best of show with the Tesla in the back. The lowrider Tesla.
It was truly a blessing and a miracle.
I know.
We got best truck SUV right here.
Yeah.
Man,
There's a lot of nice SUVs and trucks. It was a great event. So congratulations to Top Notch for
this amazing event.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. And lots of good food too.
Yes.
Yep.
There you go.
All right, so we're now going to head out now. We got some 15 pancakes right here with our with our toppings, and this is how the place looks like. So we got some cool street tacos, all carne asada out with our drinks. We got it all from right there. All right, let's do this. Everyone's rolling out, guys. Whoa, look at that. That's so cool.